Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amara Comfort. This is first time on my channel. Welcome, it's good to see you. Kindly like and subscribe. So today I'm doing a video of our apartment in Tbilisi, Georgia, which is the capital city of Georgia. Now myself and my family, we've been here for over 2 years, and today I'm going to be showing you our 2-bedroom apartment where myself, my husband and our 2 kids live. While if you want to know where Georgia is, most people confuse it for Georgia, Atlanta in the US, but this is actually a small country between Europe and Asia. Yeah, this is where Georgia is situated. So you can see that Turkey is bordering it on the south. There's Armenia, there's Russia. So these are the countries surrounding Georgia. So go check your map and discover where Georgia is. So our apartment is in over 20 floor apartment block. So we're still on the 2nd floor of the block. In Georgia it's called 2nd floor, but in Nigeria we'll be calling it the 1st floor. So we rarely get to use the lift because it's just easy to use the staircase here. So this is the entrance. Once you come into our door, it just welcomes you. What you'll be seeing right once you enter in is the sitting room, more like the living room. So here we have an open plan kitchen at the end, and then there's the sofa, the dining area, the center rug, the TV, and this is where I do all my cookings. You can see my toaster oven, my popular toaster oven at the far left, and then the microwave oven, a bottle of water, humidifier, and the washing machine on the other end, and the stove top at the other edge. Yeah, so that's basically our living area. This is what you will be seeing once you come in, and this is the view from the cooking area. You'll notice that the cooking area has tiles, while the flooring of the other parts of the house is wooden floor, but not brown. Instead of brown is gray. So this is the main bedroom. This is the main bedroom. That was in the night, and this is in daytime. Main bedroom, there's the study area, and then this room is for the kids. 2 beds, one for our son, one for our daughter, and this is their wall where they face some of the activities. At the back of the door, there's a hook and more like a place where they hang their jackets and the rest. And this is the bathroom, which is on the left side. Once you enter the house, on the right hand side there's a door there, and it leads you to the bathroom. Yep, very simple furnishings if you notice. Now this is how the house looks on a normal day. I took this video probably this is 2021 or so. I think this should be around December, winter 2021. And this is what the kids can do to the wall. I just thought to show you how the house actually looks on a normal day. It doesn't look the way it is in all those pictures. Now this is the window of the corridor of the main bedroom, and this is the terrace. I just wanted to show us how the terrace looks on different seasons. So this is during fall. I think I couldn't find any other picture for that, as I used my passport picture. Now this is winter. I'm just trying to tell you how our terrace, the view that we enjoy in different seasons. So this is winter, the few times when it snowed in Tbilisi. This is how our terrace, the view that we get. I just wanted to give a feel of how our terrace looks in different seasons. So this is a typical spring morning where we come out to get some sunshine. So we intentionally come out on the terrace to get sunshine on some days. So it's so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I'd like to know your thoughts. What do you think? Is this apartment worth it? What do you think about the apartment? Is it worth $650 to $700 per month? What do you think? Is it worth it? Is it affordable, or is it expensive? I'd like to know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video to the very end, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, smash the like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.